Hi, this is Lisa with Holland Designs Crochet. I finished today the last squares of my Nautical Summer Afghan. This is the latest Afghan square which I designed yesterday, or actually a couple days ago. This is the ship's wheel Afghan square, really pretty texture. So in this pattern we had the simple cable Afghan square, ship's wheel Afghan square. We had two different types of buoys. They also use a simple cable type of a textured stitch. And then the accents are different between this type and then the one with the four, like the crossed accents. And we also have the Ocean Waves Afghan square, quite a pretty ribbed texture. A little bit of a wavy rib texture. So I ended up making mine just a baby size, approximately 32 inches square with the ribbing, with the edging. So each of my squares was about 7 inches across, and I did use a DK weight yarn and an H hook for the sample. So if you wanted your squares to be slightly larger, you could definitely try doing them with a worsted weight yarn and a larger hook, maybe a K hook or a J hook, something like that. So I think it turned out quite cute, especially for baby size, but you can also make it to any dimensions, obviously. Make as many squares as you like and arrange them however you like. The nice thing I think too is that if you just like some of the squares, like say you like the ship's wheel and maybe the cable, and you don't want to just do the other ones, you can definitely pick and choose what you want to make. So I think it's quite a pretty design. I hope that it's versatile and enjoyable to try out some new stitches. There are video demos linked in the pattern for some of the more complicated or unique sort of stitches. So you can have a close-up look at how that's done as well, which helps if you're not maybe as familiar with those stitches. So there's quite a few post stitches used in this pattern to create the textures. And the ribbing is done with my favorite half double slip stitch and back loops only, and worked around all four sides of the blanket. So check the pattern out if you're interested. I will put a link to the Nautical Summer Afghan in the description box.